that is so like far away. You are still young. You can wait. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So when in MNCs or in government job, there are several levels. Like there are boss, and under them the work some HRs, then managers, then employees, then the second level employees. The levels are there. So there is some official positions, like we can say CEO, assistant
Yeah.
of CEO, then the
Mm,
manager, superficial
mm,
managers, then assistant
mm.
managers. These official positions are called incumbency. Okay, like this
Okay.
official position is has a name, that is incumbency. Like people who has an official position somewhere in government office, private office, school, college, anywhere,
Mm-hmm. Mm.
we're gonna call them incumbent. Like
Incumbent. Okay.
this person has an incumbency in the office, like this person has
Mm,
an official position, very
mm.
permanent and very important role in an office or in a company, that is incumbency. Great. Okay. So,
Yeah.
can you tell me what's your job description in what you do as a showroom, in a showroom?
Okay. Yes. Actually, my work is something related job card entry, and sometimes we have software. We just work on there, and we just entry everything what we purchase, we sell. That's it.
Oh,
And
like
I
all
just
the technical
work
works
in,
you do.
yeah, and I just work in office. There is such types of peon type
Hmm.
job.
Hmm. And that is important too. Like no role is unimportant in a company. Everyone must work together properly. Then a company can go through. So
Yeah.
the way you said now, you do this thing, you work with a computer, you have an office. This is called a job description, like a list of all
Yeah.
the things that someone must do in their job. That is called job description. Okay.
Yeah.
So are you happy with your job? Like, are you satisfied?
No, actually, ma'am,
Hmm.
according to me, everyone not satisfied their job. Even though I am also not satisfied with my job, because it is the situation. It is the situation in everywhere. We are not satisfied with our job, but we can do our job with full confidence because it's
Hmm.
also mandatory purpose. Otherwise, no one can say that I am satisfied with my job because if
No, but
everyone
I
I
can say.
have seen, I can see, I have heard that no one is happy their job purpose. Maybe some of them can IAS, someone can high school teacher. There is capabilities like everyone want to far away for their purpose. Like everyone want to get higher than higher.
Hmm. But I can say, Kaiser, I am very happy with what I do. I teach students like you
Okay, okay.
and younger students, like younger than you also, and I love teaching them. So I love my job, and it's a human nature. We always want more. अगर आपको कोई एक कटोरा भर के कुछ दे देगा ना खानों खाने में, आपको लगेगा कि थोड़ा और ज्यादा देता, कल लगेगा कि थोड़ा और ज्यादा देता. इट्स अ ह्यूमन नेचर, वी
Yes,
ऑलवेज नीड मोर एंड मोर. सो हम लोगों का
yeah,
कोई लिमिट नहीं है कि इतना मिल गया तो बस ठीक है.
yes, yes.
Yeah, but what you
Exactly.
do, you are getting paid. आपको तो पैसा मिल रहा है, you are getting paid. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, you are getting paid, and that is the money you want to leave. You need to leave. You know what
yeah.
that say? You know what this means?
What does mean? Like
Like something,
I'm what?
like you are doing something, you are doing, and that is providing you with the money that you need to leave. Do you know what it means?
What that means? Like it is
That
the
means, hmm. Yeah, please tell me, what are your guesses?
yeah. It is the situation. It is the morality of that if you work, then you can pay that
Hmm.
types of money if you are committed to that types of salary or money purpose.
Yeah, the thing is, like, whatever job we are doing, like, that is getting us money, like, not like our parents. They are doing their job as a parent with us. That's not like we are not paying them. They are doing this out of love that they want to. But the things we do now, we work in an office or work under someone that is going to
Mm.
pay us with the money that we need to live. That is called livelihood. You know, things that helps us giving having the money, that is called livelihood. Okay, the money you are getting paid from the office, that is providing you your livelihood. आपको वो अपना
I,
life बताने के लिए दे रहे हैं. That is
okay.
livelihood. Okay, great.
Yeah.
So what have you learned today? Can you just in a small words, can you tell me what have you learned today?
Yeah. I have learned. This is also new for me. Livelihood. I guess that livelihood means in generation wise, what we are doing, that is maybe livelihood. But you
Hmm.
ensure me that this is not livelihood. This
Hmm.
is what we are doing. That is also livelihood with the protection purpose,
Yeah.
but for living purpose. That is also
Hmm.
livelihood. Yeah.
Yes.
That.
And what did we talk about today? What was our topic?
Yeah, absolutely. Government job and private job, which is better for us, which is really important for
Mhm.
healthy living purpose, and that's it.
Like
This
job
is
security,
job.
job description.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Hmm. You know, the more you talk in English, the more you get better. Like there's no
yeah,
set modules or there's no set, syllabus that you can get better in English. To get better at speaking, you have to speak. The more you can, the better. You know. So, anyways,
yeah,
today's
yeah.
session has ended, Kaiser. Thank you so much for taking the time to take the class with me. Hope to meet you soon.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah, so I'm just
okay.
gonna end the class. You can connect with Vikash if you want to ask something. All right?
So, wait,
Yeah.
just 1 minute. I
Yeah,
just
yeah, sure,
want to
sure.
know.
Hmm.
Okay, just wait. I just want to know about yourself because I didn't ask you. You already told me you were from Calcutta, but
Hmm.
you did not give me your full definition. Can you explain me about yourself, please?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Like I live in Kolkata. I have completed my graduation and I am in the last year of my MA and I'm gonna
Okay.
complete my B.Ed as soon as possible. And I work as a communication trainer and a teacher.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, ma'am.
that's
Okay.
about it. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
great.
So
Have a
last
good day.
question I want to ask you that
Hmm.
what is your upcoming future plan? What is your upcoming future plan?
Okay, so as per my upcoming future plan, I am going to apply in the foreign country to be a teacher there, to teach English there. So I am preparing for something. I am studying, and there is an exam called, I don't know if you've heard about it, that is called IELTS, like
Yeah.
IELTS. That's an
Yes,
English
yes.
exam. I'm gonna take that, and
I
after
heard
that,
about.
if something like everything sets up, then I'm gonna work outside of India. Hopefully, I'm just hoping so. Now
Yeah,
let's see what
absolutely.
happens. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else you wanna
Okay.
ask? You can ask.
No, not in specific
Hmm.
way, but we are just talking to each other. But
Hmm.
why, why it happened with me? I already told you in before, in
Hmm.
first time, that why we are not comfort zone, why we are speaking very well. Because even though I have been learning 1 year, even though I am not feel confident while speaking to
Okay.
anyone in front of camera or
Okay.
anywhere.
Let me tell you the some things. Let me tell you some points. So you watch movies, right? You love to watch movies, I'm guessing. Okay. So
Yes,
what kind of movies do you watch? Bollywood
actual.
or
Yeah, recent days, I love to watch, South Indian movies, Kerala's movies.
okay. That's great. Yeah, they have some beautiful movie culture, but
Yeah.
what you have to do, there's four aspects to learn a language. Let me tell you. One is listening, second is
Mhm.
speaking, third is reading, fourth is writing. Okay,
Okay.
first, to go to the first part of listening, what you have to do, you have to watch English movies with
Mhm.
subtitles. Okay, you can go to YouTube, or like you can refer someone to give you some ideas
Mhm.
about good English movies which has the
Mhm.
subtitles. First, what you will do, go to YouTube and watch those kind of movies and watch regularly whatever the time you're having. The more will you listen the English words, no, the more we will
Mhm.
learn. क्योंकि
Okay.
क्या होता है, आप नॉर्मल लाइफ में हमेशा तो किसी के साथ बात नहीं करते ना इंग्लिश में। आप काश एक दो मतलब 2-3 क्लास कर लिए जहाँ पे कोई ट्रेनर आपके आपसे बात कर लिया, या फिर हम 2-3 वर्ड्स आप दोस्तों से बात कर लिए, वैसे नहीं होता। रेगुलर आपको ना यू हैव टू वॉच सम इंग्लिश मूवीज। एंड सेकेंड, यूट्यूब पे ना इंग्लिश यारी का भी कुछ लेसन प्लान आता है। प्लीज गो एंड यूट्यूब पे आप सर्च करो, वहां पे देखो, वहां पे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे ट्रेनर्स हैं। they are providing some English lessons. That's a very helpful. Second one is that what is reading. English
Okay.
newspapers पढ़ो, magazines पढ़ो। जितना आप पढ़ोगे आपके आंखों के सामने वो words होगा, जोर जोर से आप बोलोगे, आपके कानों में जाएगा। That will help you to learn new words. You know. Next
Yeah.
is what I've said. Speaking. Speaking to your doing. You're speaking with us. You can speak with your friends. And the fourth one is writing. Like start writing whatever newspaper you can find. Write an article. Start reading it. Maybe that way you will get better and you will get more comfortable.
Actually, when I start my, in front of camera, I just record myself. That time, I know what is not coming, what I would say, what I would,
Hmm.
speak about any specific. I will try myself, but what
Hmm.
is happened? But I am understand everything, whatever showing in the in on YouTube or in South Indian film. I got it everything, but
Hmm.
when I start speaking on same way, suppose I want to see myself in a stage, and how can I talk about in the stage? I just imagine myself and I want to speak in front
Speak.
of camera.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that time, yeah, some error
No,
is
don't
coming.
record yourself first. आप क्या करोगे, आप ना एक बार, I am showing you a trick that I have done with Hindi. I was very poor in Hindi जब मैं छोटी थी ना, बहुत मेरा हिंदी खराब था, लाइक मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती थी हिंदी
Okay.
में। So what I did, तब तो कैमरा नहीं था, हमारे पास स्मार्टफोन्स नहीं होते। So what I did, पहले मैं एक किताब लिया हिंदी में। I called my mom कि मैं हिंदी देख देख के पढ़ रही हूँ, आप मेरा सुनो और पहले देख लो। तो मम्मी सेड ओके। उसके बाद मैं किताब रख दी, वही लाइंस ना मैं दोहराई, मतलब दिमाग से होके मैं दोहराई।
Okay.
तो मम्मी को मैं बोली कि जब मैं बुक से देख के पढ़ रही थी और अब जब मैं खुद से बोलूँ तब डिफरेंसेस क्या है। सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, पहले आप ना रिकॉर्ड करो खुद को विद अ बुक यू आर रीडिंग। आप पहले किताब,
Okay.
न्यूज़पेपर कुछ भी लो, वहां से आप लाइन देख देख के पढ़ो कैमरा के सामने। फिर किताब बंद करो, फिर आप जितना भी लाइक 2 लाइन 3 लाइन भी आप पढ़े हो ना, वो आप कैमरा के सामने बोलो, तो फर्क देख पाओगे। जब किताब हाथ में होता है ना, वी आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, क्या यही तो वर्ड्स है, दीज आर द
Yeah.
लाइंस ओनली, वी कैन सी इजीली। जब किताब नहीं होता है तब आपको क्या करना है, देन द थिंग्स गेट ट्रिकियर। ट्राई लाइक दिस आल्सो एंड स्टार्ट टेकिंग classes like this more and more, then I think it will help you, you know.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so have a good day, happy Sunday. It's lovely to talk to you. Okay,
Yeah.
hope to meet you soon. Bye.
Bye bye.